Here we have just a normal kitchen tap. It wasn't working very well. I've actually bought a new tap, but I thought, well, I'll see what's going on, and I found that there was something inside the tap stopping the flow. So I'll show you how to take these apart and potentially fix them. So you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need some screwdrivers, a little flathead like that, and a little Phillips, some adjustable grips, and an adjustable spanner as well. So they're what you're going to need. Oh, and a little knife. So once you remove the tap, you just prise these little caps off the end of the tap, which will reveal a little Phillips screw in there, a little brass screw. So we'll do the same on this one. Oop. Now sometimes these can be seized, so just take care when you're taking them out. And what you will find is that the taps are sometimes seized on as well. Now the way I got my taps off, they were well and truly seized on, was I boiled the kettle and I just poured boiling hot water onto the seized tap and let it expand, and then I tapped it off with a rubber mallet, and they will then come off. So the taps come off, and then you're left with these now. A little trick: I just cut some rubber from an old bike inner tube, and you just place it over these collars, and it just protects them. So that when you get your grips and you ease them off, you don't damage the collars, and works pretty well. So yeah, just an old bike inner tube, just to protect the collars, and I did the same. That one will come off because I've already had these off. Do the same for this as well. So I just placed it over here. Over this collar as well, just like that, and it just protects it for when you want to remove it. Now you're left with the bare bones of the tap. What you'll need to do is take these off as well, and you'll find that these are probably seized in as well. So the best way I found to get these off was just pop it in a vise, just a standard vise, put a towel in there, and then wedge it in like so. Get your adjustable spanner and go anti-clockwise. I've already loosened these off, but these were seized. And here you have your tap mechanism there, and it's a very simple thing. Usually these are a sealed washer here. This is to seal it, and that opens and closes to let the water through. So you can buy new ones of these. The offending piece, this, was actually jammed in here, which was stopping the flow of water. I'm not quite sure what it is. Looks like some form of build-up. But anyways, I've taken that out, and this tap should work now perfectly. And to put it back together, just obviously tighten these back up. Put your cups back on. Oh, just another thing as well. What I will be doing is using a little bit of silicone grease on here as well. Not normal grease, because that can rot the rubbers. So just a little bit of silicone grease just on some of the mechanisms, and this should be like new. So I hope that explains how taps work. See you later.